8,555 Dinkertons. If you don't remember that, you're a loser. That'll kill you. Literally. Because I'm an angry bird. Don't you see? I'm angry. Look at my eyebrows. Well, if you're wondering where my eggs are, hey, can you quit it? Well, I think it's something that... Right here. Do you see this line? Well, I bet you're wondering where my eggs are. So, I better go on this, and then I'll show you where they are. They're next door. Then, you'll see them when you're up and up here. Don't you know? Okay? Why? Well... I'm really sure this is working. Well, if you know this, it's a lovely day in winter, right. January.
Do you know where this is, piece?
Well,
Katie. There's Santa Grace's cake.
Okay. So, if you want, I bet you're wondering where. I repeat, I bet you're wondering where my eggs are. So, see this rope? It's next door, and I need to take this rope, get me up there, okay? Hey,
Good DJ.
Hey, can you stop it, you freak? Oh well.
Riley, seriously.
Here we go. I'm flying up, and here I go. Come on. Oh well. I better tell you more. I guess so. I really need to tell you where I am.
It's like fun.
I'm in 8th Street. I'm in 8th Street. Angry Bird Street, where all the Angry Birds live. So,
oh, that's a little silly of me.
Oh well, I better take the rope.
There we go.
Here I go.
That's all I need.
Aha. Perfectly lucky. Still. That was a bit of a crash. Oh well, I guess I can't get up there to get my eggs. So, I better take the shortcut. Shortcut is a lonely place. Well, looks like I'm in trouble. I better make some things. Well, what's my plan? Get up there to get the iPad. Oh well, the iPad's right there. You're holding it, right? Or is it on the keyboard? On the table, right? Or somewhere else. Oh well, here is. So first step, I need to put on and now the iPad. Atta boy. Now, off my house. Progressive Winery. Oh well, need to use a giant. Oh, so the way how I can get up there is a secret way, okay? Can you quit it? I've already done this 2 times. This is the 2nd time, okay? So, okay. Well, it is something that
I don't have any parts. The other ones I can't find
any. Good grief. Well, it is a little. I have an idea.
Nope.
Come on.
Woohoo! Look, a license plate.
Lego license plate?
Yeah, look. Look at this, Riley.
Because, you know, when you play Angry Birds, you see these eggs. And if you find these,
With our saber. Cool.
you have to find it. And that's where your points are. Then you unlock new levels, literally. So, I better keep these safe. Well, where should I put them? In my house or stay them here? Well, I'll go for my house. Here I go. Yoo-hoo! Ah, come on. Well, here I go. It's taking an hour. Well, if you're wondering where I am, I'm at here. Don't you know this place? Oh well, I have to store it. So, if you're wondering what is 1-3-800-555 think things, it's this. It's like this. You go ask your parents before going online there, and then you'll find more Angry Bird videos like this. Go on YouTube or Facebook, like one of those things. So I'm gonna put these in my house.
Pizza.
Yeah. Pizza. Oh yeah.
I'll give you some. Does the Angry Bird want me a pizza? Here.
Okay. Yum 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 yum.
Ow! Do you want a sausage?
Okay.
Fine. It's all cooked.
Yum 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 yum. Well, I better put
fish for your bird. No, how about I'll give you a couple of fish to make you
fish. I love fish. Fish is my favorite food.
Here you go.
Yum 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 yum. See?
Look, there's no fish, and now there's none.
It's fish and chips, right?
Oh no, I don't have any chips. That's too bad.
There we go. Now, it was a really fun time for seeing you guys. Thank you for watching my video, angrybirds.com. And you'll find more Angry Bird videos. Literally. Shut up.
Riley.